I bought this tree. And I set it up on some of my hat box things. And you see I stuck a couple of the little things in there already because I'm going to decorate it. Isn't she adorable? I love the pigtails going out like that. So cute. But I bought these because I thought, well, they can just, after I get going on this, they just clip on the tree. But I thought they were so cute. And I'm going to put a bunch of stuff on there. Okay, so here is the little tree thing that I got at Dollar General yesterday. I got it for $12.50 and it lights up. And like I said, I put it, oh, there's my dog's brand new toy that she got that she loves so much. I put it on some hat boxes for right now. And I'm just now starting to add some things. I took the swag off of the top of the hutch and put it on the tree. Still don't know if that's what I'm going to do, but I'm going to start adding things, and I will take a picture of that as we get along too. Isn't she so cute? I love her hair. That's way cool. Okay, I'm going to start decorating the tree, and then I'll take a picture of it for you. I'll be back. Okay. So I'm going to show you how I'm just putting these pieces on my tree, what I'm doing. So I want this one to go either this way or this way. So I need something on this side. So I'm going to take pipe cleaner and I just twist it like that, make a kind of a round deal like that. And I'm going to make a round place on top of that with my hot glue, and I'm going to put this on there. I don't have anything to press it with right now, so I'll just hold it with this. Get it in the glue. I got quite a bit of glue in there, so it should stick. Then you can manipulate this almost any way you want on the tree. You can twist it on the branches or what, and you won't see any of it. Okay, and I'll do the same thing for this pumpkin. And no one will know the difference. Okay, so that's how I put it on the tree, and I'll take you over there and show you the decorations I've put on the tree. I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so here's the tree so far. Here's the top. Okay, friends, so here you have it, my little fall tree. I think I might add some more little lights to it because I think that would be a lot more fun. So anyhow, if you really like this stuff, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure and subscribe, and there's a little bell down underneath there. If you'll click the bell, then you'll be notified of all of the videos coming up, and I have some really fun stuff coming up. So make sure and stay tuned. You have a good day, and we'll see all you good people later. Bye-bye.